Introduce features you looking for and fast overview on Testo 550 hoses, digital manifold kit with Bluetooth and set of 3 hoses. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Help deliver efficient analysis of AC/R systems with this durable Testo 550 digital manifold kit. Reliable unit can quickly provide automatic calculations of superheat and subcool. This digital manifold gauge set comes with 60 refrigerant profiles with no need for manual calculations. You can keep your model up to date by downloading the refrigerant list directly from the app via Bluetooth. Kit comes complete with hoses. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from we described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.